Every woman in this world is attracted to men with more muscle and more confidence, which shows them that you are a man with more testosterone and can protect them at all times. In today's video, we are going to show you the top 7 things that are destroying your testosterone levels. And if you are using more than 5 of the things that we have on this list, you're in serious trouble. Every point you will listen to and practice will help you boost your testosterone levels. Our channel aims to help you find the right person and lead a life of true happiness and fulfillment. Due to the things happening in this world to women, we as the dominant men should take care of and protect women at all costs. Starting at number 7, using dating apps lowers your testosterone. Talking to women online might be fun, but a recent study found that long-term exposure to your phone may be decreasing your testosterone levels. On the flip side, we found another study that details how talking to women in person can increase your testosterone levels. We are going to show you a simple and easy way to start talking to women in real life. First, find a nearby library where you can start going and working from. Stick with me here. You want to pick a library because surveys have found that over 40% of women will attend a library to work from, while only 30% of men do the same, meaning there will be a higher ratio of women to men in that location. Then, approach the most attractive woman in your library and open up by asking to borrow something. It could be a pen, a phone charger, or a laptop charger. The key here is to just speak to them, even for only a few minutes. Since you went out of your comfort zone to speak to the girl, your dopamine will rise, making your testosterone levels rise. Number 6. Low-carb diets lead to erectile dysfunction. Many men are unsatisfied with their bodies, and it leads them to take on crazy diets like keto. But these low-carb diets are destroying your testosterone levels. Instead, we want you to start adding carbs, and we are going to show you which ones you should be eating that will increase your testosterone. First, you need to understand that carbs use the insulin in your body to reduce the amount of stress hormone your body produces, which is cortisol. When you adopt a high-fat, low-carb diet, your stress hormones will naturally increase, leading to a drop in your testosterone levels. To ensure that this stress hormone is in check, use complex carbohydrates that give you a steady flow of insulin. According to recent studies, the top 3 carbs are 1. Oats, 2. Quinoa, and 3. Sweet potatoes. We aim to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Subscribe to our channel for valuable information that will help you to become more dominant. Number 5. Alcohol reduces your testosterone levels. When it comes to drinking alcohol, there are 2 types of men. The first group drinks anything they can to get drunk and feel that buzz. The second group is selective about what they pick and when they drink, ensuring they're not messing up their gym progress and destroying their testosterone levels. First, replace beer, wine, or most alcohol with something less in calories like vodka or gin. When you drink, mix it with soda water. As you're drinking, you'll also be hydrating yourself with soda water, making it less likely you'll have a hangover and reducing the impact alcohol has on your testosterone levels. Then, as the night goes on, slowly replace the vodka with more soda water until, by the end, you're just drinking soda water. You'll maintain your testosterone levels, have fun, and appear more confident and in control compared to other guys who are plastered and drunk. This will allow you to interact with more women, which, as we know, will also increase your testosterone levels. And, as you know, women like to be around sober men who can take care of them rather than drunk men who ill-treat them. Number 4. A lack of competition makes men weak. Another common thing that kills men's testosterone is a lack of competition. Men are hardwired to be competitive, so I'm going to show you how to be more competitive. Indulge in sports like football or boxing. These sports demand you to be in good shape, and when you train for these sports, you will become more competitive, and your testosterone levels will rise. When you become more competitive, you will be able to see changes in your mental game, and you will refuse to give up. Number 3. Tap water reduces your semen quality. One of the biggest reasons men today have terrible testosterone levels is that we're consuming tap water every day. You might be thinking, why could this be so bad? Studies have found that your average tap water contains hormones like estrogen, which have been found to decrease your testosterone levels. The most obvious way to fix this is to either buy bottled water, though it's expensive, or buy a filter. A filter is inexpensive, but if you don't want to spend any money, you can boil your water. This will reduce the amount of bacteria in the water. Boiling is free, but it does take some time. What I suggest is to buy a filter and filter the water. Number 2. Most water bottles will reduce your T levels. Your standard plastic water bottle contains something called BPA, or bisphenol A, an estrogen-like compound you consume daily. To keep it simple, stop microwaving your food in plastic containers. This breaks down the plastic and results in high concentrations of BPA in your food. Second, stop consuming tinned foods, as they often contain high levels of BPA as well. Third, replace your standard plastic water bottles with a BPA-free water bottle. Number 1. Toothpaste. Your toothpaste, but more specifically, it is the compound found in almost every toothpaste, is fluoride. Recent studies have found that fluoride has a direct correlation with lowering testosterone levels. So if you're shopping for toothpaste, and while yes, fluoride is great for whitening your teeth and removing plaque, if you're worried is keeping your testosterone levels high, then the next time you shop for toothpaste, look at the ingredient list and try to avoid toothpaste that contains any amount of fluoride. We men make a lot of mistakes in our lives, and these are the 7 shocking life lessons we men discover way too late in our lives.